This is how you turn text into a voice using MegaTranscript. First, open the text-to-speech tool. Yeah, the one that basically does the talking for you while you relax. Next, paste your script into the box. Think of it like handing your thoughts over to someone who never gets tired. Then choose a voice that fits your content. You don't want the wrong voice ruining your whole vibe. Now hit generate and wait a moment. And just like that, your text becomes a voiceover you can actually use, whether that's YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Reels, or anything you're building. After that, you download it and drop it straight into your video editing app. Try it free at megatranscript.com or download it on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Follow for more tools that make content creation easier.